teacher, and hello everyone. Today I will explain you about our topic. Our topic is ideal neighbors and near neighbors. My ideal neighbors in Cambodia with the Saran families, we get along with them very well. And they were very friendly and generous. They love to sharing food and we gave them back as a friend. In addition, in the village, whenever we had kind of ceremony in our village, we help each other, so we could enjoy the event happily. They always showed other people, not just themselves, and they were very helpful. They didn't make loud noise at night. It was great to live with the people like Saran family. And my near neighbor, our near neighbor in Vietnam, we're near neighbors. They were an old couple, and we actually with them all the time. They were very rude and said bad things to us. They always made sound loudly at night. They didn't care about other people. When we told them, please silent, they didn't keep silent and wanted to hit us. Sorry. It is very difficult to deal with neighbors like this. May I never meet a neighbor like this again next life. Thank you, teacher.
Today I'm will speak about the topic idea and neighbor. And first I speak about my idea neighbor. My neighbor in my village was a teenager. He was always polite with my mom and dad. Ned was very friendly and I used to and when I hang out with him, he was so kind with me and with another that go with him. Ned was very considerate person and always thought about other people, not just himself. And the second, my neighbor. I have a neighbor that lives near me. He is neighbor that I meet. His road and always his accounts with other people. There are a family nearby my house. There are 4 children. Their children are friendly and kind, but their parents are aggressive and people without reason. They were selfish and stingy. One day, they went out with family around their house and wanted to fight them. They usually annoy people nearby their house. Like sometimes he singing loudly and we are very bored to them. This is my neighbor. Thank you.
My dear neighbor, a good neighbor is friendly and quiet. They say hello and keep their house. clean, don't play loud music. They respect me and have when I need. With never like that, I feel happy, very sad and sad.